In this video, we're going to create passive investment portfolio for everyone based on their need and risk appetite, right from the risk-averse investor to the most adventurous risk-taking investors. There is a model passive investment portfolio for everyone in this video. Hi folks, I'm Gopal, a semi-registered investment advisor and a CFA charter holder. I'm here to share fundamentals on how to achieve financial goals. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
For an absolute laid-back investor who does not want to monitor too much, simple index/ETF investing is straightforward. You can get exposure to the entire market and you need not bother monitoring continuously with the passive investing strategy. But we saw in this video the many different index funds out there. Options are so varied, it's almost like choosing the best mutual fund to invest. So this video will help you identify the index funds suitable for you to invest in. Broadly, there are three types of investors based on their ability and willingness to take risk: aggressive investor, moderate investor, and conservative investor. We will explore these investor personas and how each can invest passively while still achieving market matching returns appropriate to the risks taken. Example of conservative investors are retirees. For conservative investors, just hold a portion of your investment in Nifty 50 index fund. You can also add Nifty Next 50 index fund if you're slightly less conservative as an investor. Such investors should also get exposure to gold and silver via the gold and silver ETFs. Remember, this should be combined with a very strong fixed income portfolio. And remember, the exact percentage of investment in these indices will depend on your specific situation, which requires a thorough and deeper analysis. Example of moderate investors are newly formed families or people having loans. For moderate investors who can assume more risks, they should invest in Nifty 50 index fund, Next 50 index fund, and Midcap 150 index fund. A combination of these funds based on the tenure of the goals is the right approach for these investors. They also should add gold and silver in their portfolio via ETFs to reduce volatility of their portfolio. Again, a good exposure and strong fixed income portfolio is definitely required to take care of family emergencies. Example of aggressive investors are people who are newly employed and young. For aggressive investors, apart from investing in index funds, which we talked about so far, small cap 250 index can also be added along with the rest of the investments in the core portfolio. Momentum index funds have become extremely famous from 2023 when they actually returned 64% in the bull market. They are extremely risky index funds which can be added to your portfolio if you want to take more risk. There are some very important rules of thumb which I follow while investing in equities. Number one, art of doing nothing. When in doubt on markets, do nothing. Don't take actions to appear intelligent in conversations. Number two, you need to invest in equities if you don't want to touch that money for at least 3 to 5 years. Pause the video if you need to look at the table below for a minute to understand it better. Number three is you should invest in small cap, mid cap, and momentum funds only that much amount of money which you think you will not worry about if the value of the same were halved. Point number four, always move funds to safer instruments once you've achieved your goal. For example, you raised fund for college education of your daughter, you achieved the target, move it to safer instrument. Thank you for watching this video. Be wise, money wise.